Hi, good morning, and today we are going to learn what is a de Moivre's theorem, okay? And you have to watch the entire video so that you can understand the concept, otherwise you won't. Okay. So before going to start this Moivre's theorem, I am going to remind yesterday what we have studied. We have studied the cube root of unity. The cube root of unity is what? 1 omega and omega square. And we have studied also 1 plus omega square is equal to what? 0. Okay? And we have studied also 1 into omega square is equal to what? 1. It means omega into omega square is equal to omega cube is equal to 1. Okay? So from this we can derive one relationship that is called omega into omega square is equal to 1. So omega is equal to 1 by omega square. Okay? And omega square is equal to, see, from this you can see omega into omega square is equal to 1. So omega is equal to 1 by omega square, because we can bring this omega from this side to this side, so it will go to denominator. Again, omega square is equal to 1 by omega. Okay? This is the point. Then for any positive n, then omega power raised to 3 into n is equal to is always 1. Okay? We can see this one, we can write omega cube into n is equal to 1, because omega cube is equal to 1. The power of 1, sorry, any power of 1 is equal to always 1. So what exactly do de Moivre's theorem? If n is an integer, then cos theta plus I sin theta power n equal to what? Cos n theta plus I sin n. This is the de Moivre's theorem. What is de Moivre's theorem exactly? Cos theta plus I sin theta, if the power raised to n is an integer, whether it is negative or positive, it does not matter. Okay? So cos of n theta, this n will come to this, it will come and multiply with the angle of this cosine and this sine. Cos n theta plus I sin theta. This one we can prove it. Okay? This one we can prove by induction method. What is the induction method? We can prove we will take n is equal to 1. We will take n for n is equal to 2, then we will generalize for n is equal to, like for n factor. Okay, now you check. Okay, what is the proof? Suppose we will take n is equal to 1. Case 1. What is case 1? Take n is equal to 1. If you will take n is equal to 1, cos theta plus I sin theta. Since n is equal to 1, you will put here 1, because in place of n you will put 1. So this things will become, we know that any number, the power if it is 1, then it will retain the same number. Okay? যে কোনো নম্বর যদি তার পাওয়ার যদি 1 হবে, তো দেখো এর পাওয়ার যদি 1 হয়, তার মানে এটা এর পাওয়ার 2 এলে a into a. Okay? If the power of a is equal to 2, then a into a square. Okay, we are saying a square. But here it is, the power is 1, so you will retain the same number. So we will take, suppose n is equal to 2. Suppose you will take n is equal to 2, then what you will get, you will see. Okay? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Just think about this. If I am taking this is theta 1, okay? If I multiply, this is theta 2. Okay. I will prove for n is equal to 2, but here I am taking different angles. Okay, different angles. This is theta 1, this is theta 2. So now we know that what is theta 1 into the, now you know just usual multiplication, okay? I am going to rewrite this section. Simply you can multiply okay. What I have just done is I have just used the property of distribution. Okay, I haven't done anything. So now you can multiply. Cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 is equal to cos theta 1 into cos theta 2. Okay. Now cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 2. So plus I into cos theta 1 into sin theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 is equal to I into cos theta 2 into sin theta 1. See, plus I into plus I minus I square is nothing but minus 1 and sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 minus I hope you have understood this step. So I am going to proceed next step. Cos theta 1 sin see. Now here this is the real part because this term ta hoche independent of I. Ab dita jo term hoche this is dependent of I. So this is the imaginary part of the entire step, and this is the real part, and this is the real part because these two terms they are independent of what I. So I am going to write different like real part in one way and the imaginary part in other parts. In other cos theta 1, cos theta 2. Okay, this is the real part, and the another real part is here minus theta 1 sin theta 2. Now I am going to write this imaginary part together plus I into okay. Now you see this step. Here you see one thing: cos theta 1, cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1, sin theta 2. This is a formula of what? Cos A plus B by cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2. So this entire term will become like this. Then plus here I is there and I is there, so I will take I common. Sin theta 1 sin cos theta 2 plus cos theta 1 sin theta 2. This is a formula of sin A plus B by sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. See, this is a step that I have like this. So cos theta 1 plus theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. When you are multiplying this together, this one we are getting like this. Then if our theta 1 is equal to theta 2, it means if we will take this in square, what? Cos theta, if this will take square, then we are multiplying this term, what? 2 times. It means we know that a square means what? A into A. But here cos theta 1, cos theta plus I sin theta 2 times. It means cos theta plus I sin theta. Again we are multiplying the same term with this. Okay. So by multiplying this, we know from here, we know from this one, cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Here theta 1, theta 1, theta 2, theta 2. When we are multiplying these two terms, we are getting cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. But if our theta is same, means theta, if theta 1 is equal to theta 2, suppose I will take theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta. I am taking theta 1 theta 2 theta. Then this thing will become vanished. This thing will become vanished. So theta plus theta is equal to what? 2 theta. It means we can write cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. Okay. So when you are doing cos theta plus I sin theta 2 times, this 2 is multiplied with the angle 2 theta. See here we are getting 2 theta plus I sin theta. This is the answer. Okay. If this is 2, similarly we can generalize for n. If it is n, then we can say cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n is equal to, this n will multiply here angle, so cos n theta plus I sin n theta it will become. Okay, so we will generalize. Then cos theta plus I sin theta power n. Then now we will generalize. This is called de Moivre's theorem. Okay. I believe that you have understood this one. If you don't understand, again you watch the video, rewind it, so that you can understand. Okay. Now we will study another case. What if this is become negative? If it is instead of n, positive n, what if this becomes negative n? Okay, we are going to study that. This is the theorem, the original theorem. Now we are going to study what if this n is not positive n, this is negative. So then how this will behave? We know exactly. Suppose a to the power minus 1. What is the meaning? A to the power minus 1 means 1 by a to the power 1, right? We will do the same thing here also. We will do 1 by cos theta power n. Okay? I hope you understood it. Then by applying this de Moivre's theorem, if cos theta plus I sin theta power is n, then this will become cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay? So I am going to use this de Moivre's theorem here. So this will become 1 by, since cos theta plus I sin theta power is n, so cos n theta plus I power is 1. Okay? Now I will take this to numerator. How I will take this? Means I will just convert this term into this. So if 1 by a to the power 2 is there, then when you are going to, we can write this alternatively a to the power minus 2. The same thing I am going to do here. Cos n theta plus I sin n theta power is what? Minus 1 to minus 1. So if it is a minus 1, again I am going to use what? This de Moivre's theorem. Okay? I am going to use the de Moivre's theorem again. So this will become cos, this thing will multiply with this angle. So minus n theta plus I into sin minus n theta. Okay, we have got this one. But we know that from trigonometry, plus a school to college, we know that the cos of minus n theta is equal to always positive cos theta. Okay, so cos of n minus n theta is equal to, it will become cos of what? N theta. The cos of minus n theta, we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. We are going to use this property here. And sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin of theta. See, cos theta is an even function and sin theta is an odd function. Okay, so we are going to use this even odd function here. So cos of minus n theta is equal to cos of what? N theta. This will become what? Plus of, I will write here better. Okay, instead of here I will write here. Cos of n theta 1 plus what? Minus I of sin n theta. Okay, because we know that sin of minus 0 is equal to minus sin of theta. This is an odd function. So cos of n theta plus and minus I into sin of n theta. This is our final answer for what? For this. For this one, this is the final answer. If cos of theta plus I sin of theta with the power raised to minus n, then cos of n theta minus I of sin of n theta. Okay? This is the thing. This is the what? De Moivre's theorem. There is nothing else. It's not difficult one. This is very easy one. So I was talking about this even function and odd function, right? What is an even function? I am going to tell you. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. So I am going to raise this. What is a function? Suppose f of x is there. This f of x is said to be even function. If you are going to replace, যদি এই x বদলে আমি minus x পকেবা, কিন্তু say f of x does not change its what? Sign. It gives the original functions. Suppose I am going to give here. Suppose this one. F of minus x is equal to f of x. If this is the phenomenon, if the phenomenon of this kind of property of this function is called even function. Suppose I am going to give an example. F of x is equal to x square. Okay. If jodi ami x bodole minus x pokeba, to kone paba? Dekhiba f of bodole minus x pokeba. To minus x whole square minus x whole square what? Minus x into minus x is equal to plus x square. So it is plus x square. So it means we are getting the original function. It means what? F of minus x is equal to f of x. So this phenomenon of this kind of function is called what? Even function. What is an odd function? An odd function is nothing but what? If you are going to replace f of minus x, you will get minus f of x. Okay? It means f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. If this is the way you are finding, then this is called what? Odd function. I am going to give another example. So this is x cube. Okay? F of x is equal to x cube. X bodole minus x pokeba. F of minus x. So here also it will replace by minus x cube. So minus x cube means what? Minus x and minus x. They will multiply. When you are doing it like that, then minus x into minus x is equal to what? Plus x square. But here it is equal to minus x multiplication. But plus into minus into x square. But this x cube is our original function. So this will become minus f of x. So we are getting f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. That's why it is getting what? This is called odd function. Okay? I believe you have got it. That's why in sine and cos is an even function and the sine is an odd functions.